injection,
That is
injection. You know, sometimes when we eat, it's a testimony. For you to eat any food is a testimony. There are some people that cannot eat food. Their food is what selective. And that's what you can start. First of all, let's flush your system. So we use some of our products to flush the system. And one of it is our colon signal. I gave it to him. Then sugar drop.
No, they gave it to her because she made the company. She's among the company.
So after
the money give it is doing for another source. No wonder
or rather in the process of flushing the
she's
system.
like how this woman is doing.
You know what's happening? I don't know how this starts being drug. Something don't happen.
So your mommy will do well. No, my mom is new. My mom is newly joined, so she's not doing it. It's like next stage. Next day.
Brought in rather. I was trying to make us a testimony. So we'll leave this off when this man don't take. See what he don't have. You know?
Ship this food from around. I know what to follow.
And I know it's going to be okay. So before he now went back to France and he's still on this drug. But before I left Apple, his mom was working perfectly well. Perfectly well. Imagine a young man that is not up to 45. It means late 30s. That's it's terrible. It's really terrible. And so those persons that drink alcohol, please be very careful. Those persons that drink alcohol, nobody is seeing you, but God is not seeing you, but you are seeing yourself. Hey, they say I'm just a little okay, just a little what is dangerous? Because most of those alcohol, there's a number of sugars they use to, you understand, so that the difference can be average. But unknowingly to you, unknowingly to you, the sugar is still more. Okay? So it's entering your blood vessel. And as it's entering your blood vessel.
Not gonna bad you out. Show me that.
What's the stake of it? Please, we just want to know
myself. Because men looking at her, you know that this one. So a friend of mine came and I said to check her. So she checked her, prescribed. I said, no, don't give her these drugs yet. Let's just give her the detox. Let her cleanse her system. Then a specialist was coming. So when the specialist came, and I said, she want to see the specialist. So the specialist came and the specialist ran a test on the lady. And the rest of sheet of paper to me. Guys, there's no way she's going to make it. So, but we didn't tell the lady. So we started. Then, my conscience could not contain it. Because I cannot see somebody that I know she's not be able to make it in a week. I'm asking her to come and buy products. No, I'm in charge of what I will not do that. My conscience will never permit that. So, after a while, she was not calling. She's not getting better. Please, what can she take to stop her heart? I'm complaining now. This, that. Maybe she has undergoing dialysis. And I said, madam, go to the hospital. Because I was already aware she's going to pack up. I said, madam, go to the hospital. She said, go to, I said, madam, go to the hospital. Where's that she pack up? And what could cause that lady's pace? She's easily angered. The best anyhow. And then it's nothing. It's not the best. What's the name the best? There's no joy. That was how joy. You know, joy is a medicine to the body. It brings healing. There's no how joy. So at the end of the day, check out. So it's good, you know, to check your health. Know your family things. The area is better. So avoid it all. That's why you notice that the white now, they go for vacation, they go for total body check-up. At least 1 a.m. if not more than 1. But we Nigerians, we have never done this. If you not
and he was eating cube of sugar and drinking mineral and advanced plan. And I asked him, what is this? He said he has low BP, and this is what to take to. So what is the what result of high BP, low BP? What can regulate it so that we can be normal?
Inside sugar, I think it's either about low sugar. Like in case of high blood pressure, like I said, there are things that causes of high blood pressure. And one of the things that I said it was your cholesterol. There's one called polyphenol and one of the prescription of people. The normal pressure is supposed to be what? 138. But when it's fluctuating, you cannot really say the patient is what? Hypertensive. The patient needs to what? Get a particular climax before you say the patient is now what? Hypertensive. When your pressure is high, please and please. High blood pressure is a dangerous killer. It's a dangerous killer. You may not know. Sometimes when you feel some funny headache, or you feel that your heart is beating too fast than the one which you beat, and the head is taking you bang, 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 just bang it, bang, bang, bang. What you need to do, you can as well check yourself. Go and check your pressure. Go and check your pressure. Just like most people, they don't even check their pressure. They don't. They just say, I don't know, I'm not getting blood pressure. Even they show for face. Even they show for face. There was a lady that is so slim, very, very slim. She came to my office. Then she said that she wants to buy some products. And I said, which products? He said she wants to buy some products. And I said, which products? She now said that this. When I looked at the test analysis,